great morning to all of you guys. I am Ellen G. Divina from Grade 12 General Academics Track, Section A, and today I'm gonna vlog myself about philosopher and one of his speeches when he was alive and how can I apply it in my life. Stay stunned and please watch this. This activity is for my subject philosophy 12. Who was Socrates? Socrates, 469 to 476 BCE or before Christ era. 399 BCE was a Greek philosopher from Athens, widely regarded as one of the founders of Western philosophy. Birthday, born in Athens, raised around 469 to 476 BCE, dead at 70 to 71 years old. Occupation, stonemason, fathers, profession, and soldiers. Thought and up, California's war. The unexamined life. The unexamined life is not worth living. Real-life decision-making. Apply critical thinking to choices. Conflict resolution. Seek understanding through open dialogue and reflect on experience. Adjust strategies. Socrates' wisdom. Socrates' wisdom reminds us that an examined life lacks deep purpose and fulfillment. Integrating self-reflection, ethical thinking, and personal responsibility into daily life. Cultivate wisdom. Foster personal growth. Develop meaningful relationships. Embarking on this introspective journey requires courage, honesty, and dedication. As Socrates urged, know himself. Examine your life, you will discover a richer, more authentic existence.